If you want to see how I left from slide A to slide B, then you definitely want to keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Viana's Beauty. If you're new to this channel, this is a channel where we talk everything beauty and makeup related. And today I'll be doing a tutorial on this look I created for my clients, guys. I'll have to apologize in advance because it's been so long I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial, so I'll be all over the place. Sometimes I'll be covering the camera, sometimes I'll go ahead of what I've done, but just stick with me to the end of this video, please, because makeup is my passion. Like I used to say in the past, it's been more than a year, almost getting to 2 years now, I've not filmed sorry, a makeup tutorial. So makeup is my passion, but I get the least views for makeup. However, I've been encouraged to keep doing it because it's what I really love, and one way or the other someone can learn from this. So she was going for graduation and she just needed something to match her outfit. She was wearing a turquoise suit, and I wanted to do a subtle something for her. I did her brows, and let me know what you think about the brow in the comment section. I wanted a more natural brow, that's why it's looking brown. And I'm using the Juvia palette, the masquerade palette, and I'm using a dark orange as her transition color. Going further, I'm going to use the I think this one is the Maybelline palette, I can't remember now, and I'm using that dark purple at her outer V. I'm using an angled blending brush because I needed that V, I needed the brown to pop. So after blending, I'm adding it, I'm doing the tapping motions, and I'm adding it gradually. So instead of taking so much and putting at the same time, it's better you add it up because it facilitates blending and it just makes the eyeshadow looks neater. So I went further to apply the green. Like I said, she's putting on a turquoise suit. Turquoise, is that how it's called? Turquoise suit. So I did sorry, I didn't show how I did it, but like I placed it after the purple, and that was it. Going back into the masquerade palette from Juvia, I'm applying that gold into her inner corner just to make the eye pop in some more. So guys, if you're liking this video, you're liking how this eye is coming up, you will hit on the subscription button, and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I post anything beauty and fitness related. So I'm using this liner from Essence. Is just simple regular liner, and I'm going to line her eyes. Thereafter I'll apply the falsies. The falsies I'm using today is my brand, and it's from Viana's Lashes. If you need any of these products, please hit me up on Instagram or send me an email at vianasbeauty02@gmail.com. So after applying the falsies, I'm going to get into the foundation, and for foundation today I'll be using I'll be using a MAC foundation coupled with other things. I prepped her skin, I moisturized her face, I applied the primer, the primer spray, and going further I'll mix so I'm using MAC and another foundation. I just mix that together and applying. I wanted to get her exact shade, that's why I mix the foundations together. After applying the foundation, do well to blend very well. If not, your face will get cakey within the day. And she had to use this makeup in the evening, so it's a 24-hour makeup I'm doing for her. Going further with my, oh, look at my daughter behind. That's my first daughter, guys. Her name is Splendor. She's dark like an African queen. And that's the second one, Sparkle. If you don't know, I have two daughters, Splendor and Sparkle. Those are the names. Please don't steal my children's names. I'm only joking. So I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade, I think it's Prince. I'm going to try and leave everything in the description below. I know now I'm just doing loads of guesswork. So do well to let your clients look up, lift up her eye. That's how you avoid creasing underneath your eye. Even though if you took note, I was kind of like avoiding taking the concealer high up, just exactly towards her waterline, because that can cause creasing, and we don't want that. Do well to blend very well using a damp beauty blender. It's the same blender I used in blending her foundation. And now I'm going to set her face using the Garnier. I love this setting powder. I love the yellow undertone. It's just like it makes everything come together. It brings everything together. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I didn't cream contour because she didn't really want a full coverage makeup. But if your client wants a full complete coverage makeup, then you need to cream contour. So I just used a darker foundation to act as her contour, and using that brush I placed that foundation like to kind of like contour her nose. Going back with this smaller brush, this brush is kind of really precise. I try to blend out that dark powder I placed there, and you can see that it's giving. If you compare this other side of the nose and the other side, you'll see a huge difference that makes. Going back to the other side, I'm just going to do the same exact thing I did on the other side, using this angle brush to really make sure that I'm placing the contour at the precise place where it's supposed to be. Blending that out thoroughly. Make sure you blend. You don't want her nose looking like she fell from the stairs. So blend. Guys, once again, please subscribe to my channel and do watch my makeup videos, because I really love doing makeup videos. If you can be watching it, then I'll make more on myself and on other people. I don't mind even doing makeup for people for free, but you just have to promise that you watch and you will share. I know makeup is a kind of really saturated field, but it's what I love as well, so I'll not stop doing it because many other people are doing it. So now I'm using the fluffy brush to just kind of blend everything out, and while doing that I'll go in with her shade, with her exact shade, to apply powder on the places where I did not apply the setting powder. So do well to blend. If you feel a need to use your fingers, if it will give you a better blend, do well, as long as you've sanitized your hands and your hands are hygienic enough. Going to the lips, I'm using all the lipsticks I'll be using today will be from Juvia's Place. I'm using this lips to line her I'm using this lip liner to line her lips and just give it some definition. So just watch further. We're coming to the end of the video. If you've watched up to this end, please just type beautiful down in the comment section, because I know my client is so pretty. She's so pretty, and I love the way the makeup is coming up. I love the way it is giving. It is giving. The eyes are simple. These are the kind of makeup looks I like. The eyes are simple. The lips. How are you finding this lip combo? Please let me know in the comments.